Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and click that bell button, so you can get notification when my new, easy way tutorial is out. In today's video I will show you quick tutorial on how to add or remove language bar from taskbar in Windows 10. So if you want to remove this language bar from the taskbar, you need to right-click on it, and click here where it says, Close the language bar. Now your language bar is hidden from taskbar. If you on the other hand, want to add language bar on taskbar, go to Start, left-click on it, and select Settings. Here click on Time and Language. And on the left side, select Language. Now click on Keyboard. And then click on Language Bar Options. This window will open, and here you have option to set it floating on desktop. And you can check this box to show language bar as transparent when inactive, as you see here on my desktop. And here you have option to set it dock in the taskbar. When you select desired option, click on Apply. And as you see, our language bar appeared on the taskbar. Easy as that. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button if this video helped you in any way, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next, easy way tutorial. Bye.